Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the BetterCap on Kali Linux in a quick and easy way. If you have been having trouble with installing or find it confusing, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, open up your terminal. We'll start by checking if the BetterCap is already installed. Type sudo bettercap and press enter. If you see an error message saying bettercap command not found, don't worry, this means the bettercap isn't installed yet. We need to do a quick setup. Open up the root terminal from the top menu of your screen. In the root terminal, type sudo bettercap and hit enter. You should see the bettercap not found message. This expected as we need to install it first. Here's a simple part. Just type bettercap and hit enter, and you'll see a prompt asking if you want to install bettercap. Type Y for the yes and press enter. And now the BetterCap will be installed automatically by itself. You don't need to do anything, and that's it. You have installed the BetterCap. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and tutorial like this one. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Peace.